Hey everyone, this is Diana Ruth. Today I have a special OCC unboxing. I am doing a collaboration with Sharon from East Coast Stories, and I will have her channel linked down below in the description box. She does very interesting OCC unboxings because she finds great items in different stores all around her for amazing prices. So I always find it super interesting to hear what deals that she finds and the items that she finds to go with her boxes. And she also does hauls, so she will help you find the best deals for your shoe boxes. And yeah, so I'm just really excited to do this collab with her. And we did a heart themed shoebox, and it's for a girl 5 to 9. So usually I like to put folders in with my shoe boxes, but this particular bin is shorter than most that I use, so a folder would not fit. So I will just be sliding this notebook down and bending it across. So here is her notebook, and inside I just did print offs for the theme, and I used a paper clip to keep them together. The first one is a jar of hearts. And I really like this one because it's Curious George making a heart. Sharon we did a collab last year, and since that year has gone by, I have become good friends with her. She's very encouraging and supportive, so it was only fitting that we did a heart theme together. I couldn't imagine not knowing her now, so I'm very thankful for her friendship. This is just an elephant cut and paste craft. She could color it, and I like that the elephants are in the shape of hearts, and it has picture instructions to show her how to make it, and I think it's great that she can cut it out and glue it. This is a teddy bear maze, heart maze, a heart made out of hearts, and then I like this picture with all the different children around the world. So those are her print-offs. Because it's a heart theme, I have my string of hearts and my Hoya heart here on the table with me. I love houseplants, but another reason why I like to have them on the table is because they can help me to hold up my items to prop them up. So this is what her box looks like from the top. I just had to put the sock over the baby doll's face because the lid kind of presses down on her face a little bit. That's what it looks like. And it was Sharon's idea for us to have a couple items in our shoebox that were the same so that our little girls could be connected in a way. So I thought that was very sentimental. So we both have the IKEA bear in our shoeboxes, and I love his sweet little face. So I will prop him up using my little plant there. And then I just have this cute little heart. I get these at the Dollarama, 3 for $1.25, and I figured she could use it for whatever. She could even just keep it in her pocket or by her bed, and it could remind her of her heart-themed shoebox. Inside here I have her tote bag that I found at the Dollar Tree, and it says, "Choose happiness," and I hope that she takes that message to heart. And then inside of her little box here, she has a heart bow. There's some nail clippers in here. I found these at the Dollar Tree, and I've never seen this print before on the nail clippers, so I was happy to find those. She has a little face scrubby, band-aids, and then there's picture instructions in there for her clippers. There are 2 bouncy balls in her little doll bed. Couple of clothespins, and then on the side here I stuck in a pair of uniform socks so that if she does go to a school that requires a uniform, she will have the socks for it. And then she also has this necklace on a bell. I found these bells at Michael's, and they're nice quality, and I just put it on a little necklace. There's another clothespin. And then here is her little doll, and I figured she could use this as a doll bed or a bed for her bear. This came in a kitchen toy that my daughter got. It just had some food kitchen items in it, so I thought this would make a nice little doll or bear box bed. And then she has this beautiful little doll, and I wrapped her washcloth around her so she could use it for a blanket. And I like that the whale goes with the color of her little doll outfit. And that's her little bed for her doll or bear. And of course the doll has hearts on her outfit. She has a water bottle, and Sharon also has this water bottle. It's not the heart one. She wasn't able to find the heart, but it is the same type of water bottle that both of our girls will have. Inside there's underwear, a flute, toothbrushes, and hair tie. At the end of the video I'll have everything laid out so that you can see it better. She has this heart dress. I love this dress. It has little bows on the shoulders, and it's a size 8. I found this at Winners in a 2-pack. I pack boxes from Canada, so we have Winners here, and it came for $7.50. I got 2 dresses for $14.99, and it's really nice quality. It's very soft, and I love it. And it does go a little bit with her doll outfit. To go with her little dress, she has this little tank to go underneath it. I think I got that for a couple dollars at Superstore. And then I found these really cute, they reminded me of Cinderella shoes, like Cinderella's glass slippers, but in a 5 to 9 little girl style, in a jelly style. So these also have little hearts on the sole of the shoe, and I thought it would be pretty with her heart dress. Inside of this shoe, she has a little Hot Wheel car, and they don't have hearts, but there is an H on the top of her. And I know it stands for Hot Wheel, but I thought it could also stand for the word heart. She has a little thing that she can attach to her wall or anywhere where she can hang her soap on. She has a compact mirror that also matches her little doll and washcloth. She has one of these combs that I get off of Amazon. It's by Grace in Your Hair's brand, and they support OCC, so I really like that. And then she has a little notebook in here in the shape of a heart, and the dog has little heart decorations on his head. And that was what was in the other shoe. And these are a size 3, and I found them at Walmart for $3. I was able to fit in 2 bars of soap, and here this is a soap saver made out of natural fibers, and I like that I got 2 in there. So she will be able to hang this on the little peg that I gave her. She has a play pack of mini, and it has little hearts on it, and there's some stickers inside, and then some heart shooting hearts, as well as heart balloons. She has her heart pencil pouch that I found at Dollarama. She has a 6-inch ruler, a pencil sharpener that can also sharpen crayons. Inside she has a pencil sharpener, as well as, not a pencil sharpener, sorry, eraser top. And then she has these 2 little girls that she can switch their outfits and hair. And this little girl has heart lips. She also has her scissors, another heart sharpener. She has these crayons that I found at Walmart for 88 cents. I love the packaging on these They have hearts on the front, and then they have really cute names. They're called Colors of Kindness, and each crayon has a different name, like Spread Your Wings, Breathe Deep, Always Brave, You're So Appealing, A Slice of Nice. And that's what the crayons look like. I really like the color scheme of these crayons. And Sharon also has these crayons. So our little girls will have these Colors of Kindness crayons. And then she has her 2 Pipsqueak markers, Piglet Pink and Sweet Violet. Oh, she has 3. She has a red one for Junior Fireball. I think I wanted to add the red because of all the hearts in her box. She has her pencils. There's little dogs and kitty cats with hearts on the fun ones, and then just regular school grade ones. She has a glue stick to go with her little elephant craft that she can cut and paste together. She also has some colored pencils, as well as a clip pen and an extra paintbrush. And then another heart sharpener, as well as an eraser. She has a jump rope to play with. Now, a few weeks back, I found these heart socks that I was really excited to put in her box. And I had been looking for heart underwear, and I did not find any. But just a few days ago, I had a friend, a sweet OCC friend, who I also couldn't imagine not knowing. She sent me a package of heart underwear in the proper size for this little girl. So I was so excited to put these in my box for my heart theme. So thank you, Nikki, for giving me these underwear. They go perfectly with my heart box. And she had no idea that I was doing a heart themed shoebox. I also have this little lunch pouch. She can put her food in here and then put it in her tote bag for school. And it is BPA free and insulated. She also has one of these splat balls that she can either play with dry, or she can play with it in the water. And then she has some paints. I thought that she could paint her doll bed if she would like to. So she has these paints and then the extra paintbrush that was in her pencil pouch. She has a little journal, and I love what it says, and it's got a heart, and then there's another heart on here with a little picture of Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore. And it's just, I thought she could use it as a little journal. She has this sticker sheet with these 3D stickers of hearts. And then she has some capri leggings to go underneath her heart dress. She has this little wristlet that I found from the Dollar Tree. Inside I just put a picture or a sticker, a skateboard sticker of Winnie the Pooh hugging a heart. And then this one, there's a little heart on Eeyore. And then I put these little pictures in with hearts that she could glue with her glue stick. And then at the very bottom, she has another one of these exercise books for school. And here is her little memo book, and I put these stickers on it. And in the back, I have her message and our pictures in the back that I decorated. So that is my heart-themed shoebox for a girl 5 to 9. I hope that you'll now go over and check out Sharon with East Coast Stories, her heart box that she made for a girl 5 to 9. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will have the link down below in the description box. Have a great day.